What if I told you the biggest money myth on YouTube isn't fake math, it's incomplete math? Millions of Americans are told that investing just $200 a month will make them a millionaire. But there's one hidden truth almost nobody mentions. Stay until the end, because this single mistake could cost you thousands of dollars. Imagine two people investing the exact same amount for decades. Same salary, same investments, yet one retires with significantly more wealth than the other. The shocking part? It has nothing to do with picking better stocks. Most finance creators focus on budget rules like 50-30-20 or 65-15-20, but those percentages aren't the secret. Real wealth comes from three simple habits. Spend less than you earn, build an emergency fund so you're never forced to sell investments during a crisis, and invest consistently in low-cost index funds. Also, remember that the famous 10% stock market return is before inflation. Your real long-term return is closer to 6 to 7%. Question for you: what's harder, saving money every month or staying invested when the market crashes? Let me know in the comments. Forget chasing the perfect budget formula. The people who build lasting wealth start early, stay consistent, and protect their investments from life's surprises. If you want more honest, no-hype money tips backed by real numbers, subscribe and join us for smarter investing.